Namaskar. I am Surendra Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. I welcome all of you for our daily weather briefing program today, that is 29 November 2021. In this slide, I am talking about observed rainfall during past 24 hours. Coastal Andhra Pradesh received heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places. Kerala, Mahe and Tamil Nadu also received heavy to very heavy at isolated places. Of chief amount, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Nellore district received 19 centimeter, Rayalaseema, Chittoor 11 centimeter, Kerala, Alappuzha 15 centimeter, and Tamil Nadu, Kadalur has received 17 centimeter, and many more. Now in this slide we are discussing about satellite imagery with synoptic systems of today, that is 29th November. One cyclonic circulation lies over Comorin area at lower tropospheric level. Another, a trough at mean sea level runs from southeast Arabian Sea to the east central Arabian Sea of Karnataka coast, and WD at mid tropospheric level over Iran, which is likely to affect our Indian region tomorrow night onward. Now we are talking about weather system and warning due to the trough and a low pressure area is likely to form over east central Arabian Sea of Maharashtra coast around 1st December, and due to the WD under the influence of this fairly widespread to widespread rain thunderstorm with isolated heavy to very heavy fall likely over Gujarat on 1st December and isolated heavy over Gujarat on 2nd December, and heavy rainfall is also likely at isolated places over North Konkan and Madhya Maharashtra on 1st December, and thunderstorm accompanied with lightning at many places likely to occur over the above region with possibility of isolated hailstorm. Isolated to scatter rainfall accompanied with thunderstorm lightning very likely over West Madhya Pradesh, East Rajasthan, North Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh during 1st and 2nd with maximum activity on 2nd December. Including this, isolated heavy rainfall is likely to occur over southeast Rajasthan on 2nd December, and scattered to fairly widespread rain oblique snow with isolated thunderstorm likely over Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, Uttarakhand, and Himachal Pradesh during 1st to 3rd December, and isolated heavy rain or snow is likely over Uttarakhand on 2nd December. Possibilities. And another low pressure area is likely to form over South Andaman Sea by tomorrow, that is the 30th November. It is likely to move west northwestward and concentrated into a depression over the southeast and adjoining east central Bay of Bengal during subsequent 48 hours. Under this our system, isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall likely over Andaman Nicobar during 3rd November to 2nd December, and rainfall activity likely to increase with isolated heavy to very heavy fall over north coastal Andhra Pradesh and Odisha from night of 3rd November for subsequent 48 hours. And other than decrease in rainfall activity over Tamil Nadu from tomorrow, that is 30th November, light to moderate rainfall, fairly widespread rainfall very likely over Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Lakshadweep, and scattered to fairly widespread over south coastal Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema during next 2 days, and significant reduction thereafter. Isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall very likely over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karaikal, especially South Tamil Nadu today, and it will decrease as heavy rainfall over Tamil Nadu during next 2-3 days, and heavy isolated heavy rainfall likely over Kerala, Mahe from 29th to 30th, and over coastal Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema today, that is 29th November. And including this, we are talking about sea area warning, squally weather with wind speed reaching 40 to 50, gusting to 60, very likely over Comorin, Maldives, Lakshadweep area, and adjoining southeast Arabian Sea during next 24 hours. And squally weather with maximum sustained speed 40 to 50, gusty to 60, very likely to prevail over southeast adjoining East Central Arabian Sea along and of Kerala, Karnataka on 30th, and over northeast and adjoining East Central Arabian Sea and along and off Gujarat Maharashtra coast during 1st and 2nd December. And now we are talking about Bay of Bengal. Squally weather with wind speed 40 to 50, gusty to 60 is likely to prevail over South Andaman Sea today, over South Andaman Sea and adjoining Southeast Bay of Bengal on 30th, and it will likely to increase, reaching 45 to 55, gusty to 65 over southeast and adjoining East Central Bay of Bengal and Andaman Sea on 1st December, and wind speed likely to enhance and reaching 50 to 60 and gusty to 70, likely over central and adjoining southwest Bay of Bengal on 2nd and 3rd December. Fishermen are advised not to venture in this area for particular time period. Now we are talking about district-wise weather warning for Gujarat state on day 3, day 4, that is 1st and 2nd December. Here in orange color we can see in these districts heavy to very heavy rainfall likely occur at isolated places over as Amreli, Bhavnagar, Surat, Deng and Valsad, and yellow color shows heavy rainfall likely to affect these districts. Gir Somnath, Bahraich, Barodara, Anand, Chota Udaipur, Narmada, and the right one is the on 2nd December. It shows the only heavy rain activity likely to over interior, especially west, east Gujarat, Anand, Amrevali, Chota Udaipur, Narmada. Now we are talking about district-wise weather warning for Maharashtra on 1st and 2nd December. Northwest, especially northwest or western part will be affected with heavy rainfall as Dhole, Nasik, Palghat, Nangubar on third third day, that is 1st December, and thunderstorm lightning is also there over these regions. On day 4, rainfall activity is likely to decrease, but thunderstorm activity will continue over these regions. Yellow color in shows in yellow color. Now weather warning for next 5 days in graphical form, as I already told, over southern peninsula to especially Tamil Nadu, CAP and Rayalaseema, rainfall activity will continue during next 24 hours and reduction thereafter. Due to the a low area is formed over Arabian Sea, so west coast likely to enhance activity from tomorrow onward, especially over Gujarat, Maharashtra on day 4, including Gujarat, Maharashtra, adjoining southeast Rajasthan, MP, and due to the WD, which is likely to affect tomorrow night, rainfall activity will increase over the northwest India on 1st, 2nd, and reduction thereafter. And due to the low pressure area over likely to form over Andaman Sea, which is likely to move west northwestward, is affected Andhra Pradesh, especially North Andhra Pradesh and Odisha coast from 3rd December to subsequent 48 hours. Now we are talking about expected impact and action suggested due to the isolated heavy rainfall, very heavy rainfall over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry on 29 November and over Andaman Nicobar Island during 3rd November to the 1st December, and over Gujarat state on 1st December, and over North Coastal Andhra Pradesh and Odisha on 3rd December 2021. Impact expected: localized flooding of road, inundation and waterlogging low-lying areas, and closure of underpass mainly in urban areas of the above region. Occasionally reduction in visibility due to the heavy rainfall. Description of the traffic in major cities due to waterlogging in road leading to the increased travel time. Minor damage to Kacha roads. Possibility of damage of vulnerable structures. Localized landslide, mudslides. Damage to horticulture and standing crops in some areas due to the inundation. It may lead to river riverine flooding in some areas catchment. For riverine flooding, please visit web page of Central Water Commission. And action suggestion: check for traffic congestion on your route before leaving of your destination. Follow any traffic advisory and that are issued in this regard. Avoid going to the area that face the waterlogging problem openly. Avoid staying vulnerable structure. And in this slide, we see the graphical form of the fisherman. I earlier told for Andaman Sea from tomorrow onward till 4th, fishermen are advised not to venture, and adjoining East Central or Central Bay of Bengal during next on 4th and 5th day, and over Comorin area, Lakshadweep, Maldives area during next 24 hours, and Comorin, Maldives, Southeast and East Central Arabian Sea during next 3 days, and over Maharashtra, Gujarat the coast on day 4, day 5. So fishermen are advised not to venture in this area. For latest update, you can follow our IMD website mausam.imd.gov and as well as many social media platforms as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, blog. And for mobile, you can use our app, Mausam app, Damini app, Meghdoot app. Thank you very much, all of you.